The 46th participant in the Silva challenge is Fritz Meier. So let's see what we can put together for you, Fritz. This is another international shipment, which these are always fun to send out. I always wonder what customs in other countries think as the Silva challenge passes through. Let's start off with this one, the Erikenstein rod. This is a nice little casting. This is a nice casting for Gaslands. It's a nice casting to do all kinds of things with. Let's throw that in the box. I don't know how well you guys are seeing the box here. How about like that? Yeah. There's some construction equipment. The Quarry King by Matchbox. I'm sure you can do something with that. That's kind of nice. This reminds me of what I just did the Christmas Santa build with. What's this one? Hot Wheels Audacious. I don't know if those are supposed to be scales or what on the side of it. But, yeah, that'll fit in there nicely. Oh, geez. Hot Wheels made for McDonald's. It's all plastic. Apparently an adjustable suspension that goes up and down. Locks, spring-loaded somehow. I probably should. Well, that'll fit like that. That works. What the heck? Rattle and Roll Trucking Company Crate Racer Hot Wheels. I'm thinking there's supposed to be something in there that's not. Like a crate. It's called a crate racer. Oh, this is... No. Almost everything's missing on that. And there's a nice old Hot Wheels casting. Yeah. Actually, that's... Well, I was thinking that's kind of similar to one of the other ones, but... It is, but not really. What's that? The Silver Bullet. Never mind the fact that it's not silver. Hot Wheels. At least that has some metal to it. Oh, it's a truck. The Spirit of America, made in China, missing a wheel. Sure. Come on, Fritz, I have to send you the Spirit of America. Here, I'll give you a decent truck here, too. A Chevy Silverado with a motorcycle in the back. It looks like you can pull it out of there if you want to. That's kind of beat up. Perfect for a post-apocalyptic build. What else? Eesh. Power rocket. I like the engines on that. That's kind of cool. There's a truck that looks like it's played with because there's like dirt kind of in the back. Oshkosh snowplow. Okay, well, it's missing the snowplow, but the rest of it, that's plastic and that's plastic. The rest of it is metal. The wheels are kind of nice. What else, Fritz? Huh. Nissan Silvia S15. Probably should have had a wing on the back of it that's no longer there. Eesh, what is this hiding down? Eesh. Made in China. I can't do that to you, Fritz. I'm sorry, that thing's terrible. Oh, the color on this is cool. This is, looks like it's just called Candy. That's kind of neat. That's real science fiction-y looking. Huh. Oh, this is one of those. Oh, it's not one of those. I thought it was one of those where the engine pops up in the back. There's something very similar to this. This has a Lamborghini look to it, or I don't know, maybe a Ferrari F40, maybe? Nah. I think it's just purely fantasy. Here's a customized C3500 Chevy. Hot Wheels. Long wheelbase on that. That could be fun. I think we're down to one more casting, Fritz. And I'm going to throw in this one, the COE that I love, the 49 COE with the wheel stripped off of it, because I've stripped wheels off so many of these, it's not even funny. But will it fit? Yes. Yes, it will. Okay. I think that's it for castings. Yeah, I think that's it for castings. I should quit looking. I should stop there. I'm stopping there. Okay. That's it for the castings. Move these out of the way. On to 3D parts. Gotta throw some parts in there. What are we gonna throw in here? Hopefully that lid isn't gonna close on me here. Looks like it wants to. Okay, there we go. Let's throw these wheels. Let's see. These wheels I love. So, actually, are these the same size as these? No, they're slightly larger. So let's throw 4 of those in there, and then let's throw 4 more of this size. Let's throw, I don't know, another 4 of these in there. Let's throw 4 of this style in there. Let's throw some smaller guns in here. Some bigger guns in here. And rockets. Gotta have rockets, right? That's way too many rockets, but we'll throw some rockets in there. Throw another set of rockets in there. Throw whatever the heck that thing, kind of gun thing, it's supposed to be in there. Throw some tanks in there. Let's throw some more wheels. You never have too many wheels. I mean, these, I really like the style of these. These look so good when they're painted up. Here's some body panels, just metal, pseudo metal panels. Whoa, it's getting away from me here. Okay, I don't know where that went. Engine. Oh. Weird little oil dripper thingies. I'm almost out of skulls. I'm getting low on the skulls. I'm worried that some of these are going to fall through the cracks in the box. So let me throw some real tiny little skulls in there that are resin printed that probably won't survive the trip. But, hey, it's worth a try. Some exhaust stuff. Yeah. Some wheel spike things. Let me make sure I give you ones that match so you can actually put 4 all the way around if you want on a build. Come on. So there's 4 of those. Yeah. There's these wheel cover things. Let's put 4 of those and 4 of the gold. Okay. Oh, what else? Do these are some really weird, oddly printed wheels. 2 smaller ones, 2 larger ones. The backs are funny. So You'll have to put a big fat axle in them if you want, or somehow figure out how to do a sand it down probably. But I've used them on builds, and they seem to work. These I printed on the new filament printer, which is going to do better as I start using it. You can see like some of the detail on these is so much better than like the other filament printer that printed earlier stuff here. You get really good results. I'm hoping that that'll be good in the future for things. Here's like some of these air cleaner things. What else do I have in here? All kinds of junk. You name it, I got all kinds of junk in here. I think that's it, Fritz. Let me throw some of these wheels in here too, in case you... Oh, no, gotta make it match. Gotta give you 4 that match. Don't want to give you 3 in an odd one, although that actually kind of works in a post-apocalyptic world. It's maybe kind of whatever wheels work. I think that's it. I think that's it, Fritz. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Get this out of the way. So there we have it, Fritz. This box is going to be heading your way. Have fun with it. And it's hard to believe we're on the 46th participant already, closing in on number 50. That will be soon. I had a lot of fun putting this together. I hope you have as much fun building with it, Fritz. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.